Yo, good day, good people. It is Chantel Sarita, and I am back with another Big Move vlog. This one is focused on cleaning with me. So get your cleaning supplies out, get your music going, and clean up your place with me. Rise and shine. It is Sunday, or Sunday, should I wish. It is Monday, July 2nd, 2018. It is 8:15 a.m. and I'm about to clean my apartment to get it ready for a viewing before I move. It is a mess. A mess. So I wanted to do a little before and after. This is my living room. My God, dude. My kitchen is crazy. So I'm gonna do a little clean with me video, like a more so before and after type thing, and try to get this together before I go to work at 12. At least most of it. I have to do laundry too, so I'm probably gonna have some clothes on the floor to do laundry tomorrow morning, and then Wednesday, nothing. I will be doing nothing. Is that Wednesday? Today's the second. Tomorrow's the third. Yeah, tomorrow morning I'm gonna finish cleaning, and then Thursday I'm gonna be at home all day, and I'm not doing anything. I don't want to clean. I just want to cook and, you know, be in my apartment and kick it and not talk to nobody. So I'm gonna try to get this done today and tomorrow. So let's see how far I can get. I'm about to start on my room, and I'm also gonna watch a clean with me video while I do this. So let me set this up somewhere, and let's get it cracking. This is my bare millennium.
Click it into place. Definitely need to vacuum again over here, straighten up the pillows and all that stuff. And there's still some toys and some mess over here in her area.
But she twerk, but she twerk, but she twerk, but she twerk.
Wait, okay. So yesterday, I got my hair redone, right? And so I had to take my hair down in the morning. And to take this down, it's crocheted. I'll show you it later. I don't feel like taking it down because I'm washing it, but it's redone. It looks so much cuter. But anyway, so I have to take it down, and to take it down, you have to like cut the crochet out. Tell me why the second to last braid, I cut out my hair. Yep, this is my hair. A big old chunk of my hair, like a whole braid. Like, this is about how long my hair is. So when I saw that, I was like, oh my God, I got my hair. Anyway, I'm almost done with my room. I'm gonna finish up over here and wipe down my nightstand over here. I don't feel like picking it up right now. I'll show you in a second. And then I'm gonna sweep and Swiffer, and then I'm gonna have breakfast, and then I'm gonna move on to the living room. Hopefully I don't get sleepy in between there, because that happens.
Once a week or every other week, just definitely a lot a lot more of just my daily life with Saya. So I don't think we need to have any more discussion or chitter-chatter about it. We're just gonna do it. Right now it is about 8:15 in the morning on a Wednesday, and Zaya has preschool, so she's already dressed, hair combed, she has her penguin. Weekends with Zaya, because grocery shopping with a toddler is quite interesting, especially when the store is crowded and stuff. So now
Okay, so hold on, my video's still going. So my kitchen, I wish my room is done. I just have to do laundry tomorrow. I just wanted to get the bulk of everything finished today so that when I do laundry tomorrow, I won't have to worry about anything else. I can just do my laundry. So bed is made, floors are clean and clear. Oh, I didn't clean up over here really. There's a couple of things up here that need to be put away. But after I finish the last minute things with my room, I'm gonna make breakfast. I just realized I probably should have cleaned the kitchen first, even though I hate cleaning this small ass kitchen. I hate cleaning the kitchen, period. But like the small ass kitchen makes it worse because I don't have nowhere to move when I'm trying to do stuff. So that I can make breakfast because I'm hungry. And now I gotta clean up or cook with the dirty kitchen. No, this is I have a walk-in closet. So this is my walk-in closet. Pretty spacious. It's kind of clean too, except for the laundry I have to do tomorrow. And then I got a couple boxes for packing because I'm moving this month. But this is my closet. Plenty of space. All that space. And I got this other side. So I love this closet. It's fantastic. So I'm gonna try to clean up like a couple of pots and pans, or just one pan so I can make some eggs. And make myself some eggs and hash browns, and I don't know, maybe some French toast sticks. I don't know if I feel like waiting for them though. And some coffee. I might do that, make some coffee, and then start cleaning up while my French toast sticks are cooking in the living room. But I don't know if I'm gonna record that. I might just do it before and after that, because this video has been 30 minutes long already, even though I'm gonna edit it. But yeah, so my room is clean, and I'm satisfied. Got my favorite YouTuber right now. Been watching her. I mention it every time, so I'm not gonna say it again. But yeah, I'm obsessed with her channel right now. So I'm done with my room. I'm gonna make some breakfast and then get started on the kitchen while I cook. I guess I could do that. I hate cleaning the kitchen. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. So that's finally done. You see how small it is? So like I literally have this one counter and everything is drying on there, but there's nothing in the sink. The only things on the stove are clean. The floor is clean. I just made breakfast and ate and cleaned up after that. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna light some incense, play some music. I don't know if I'll have time to touch the kitchen. The living room. I might straighten up a little bit. It still needs to be done. Still got the clothes all over the place. My desk is not that bad, but I need to start cleaning to move. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do the laundry and I need to clean the refrigerator. They're bringing someone over here on Sunday to view the apartment, so I'm hoping that I can get them interested in subleasing for the last month before I move out, so I don't have to find somebody, and then maybe they can, be interested in purchasing anything out of my apartment, because I'm not gonna be having any of this furniture with me. I'm not taking any of this. I'm not taking nothing with me but my clothes and my bags and maybe some of my books. But yeah, so I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna see how much time I have. If I have time to straighten up a little bit in the living room, I will. And then I'm gonna go to work. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me. I hope you got your place all clean and tidy like me. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the rest of my Big Move vlog series. I'm actually in New York right now, but you're going to have to watch the rest of the series to see and catch up with where I am right now. I'm kind of behind on editing, but you know, never late is better. Wait, better late than never. Better late than never. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until next time.